Okay, so here we go. We demonstrate the use of Microsoft Outlook and Google Gmail assignment. So we're creating a screencast video. We're going to create a calendar event. There happens to be something coming up in my life, actually. It's my brother's birthday on the 9th. I will put my email addresses here. Set the time for 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. And let's say we're going to eat at Prejean's Catering Restaurant. Alrighty. So add a description and an attachment. Right here. And I will attach a copy that I've saved of the Prejean's menu. Okay, that's attached. Title, location, attached document, notes, time, and date. Alright, so we'll send that. And the next thing on the assignment, include functions in Outlook, including advanced features of send later, snooze, move, and rule. Send later, we're going to need to start a message first. Okay, I'll just send this to my other email address. So send later is right here. Rather than pressing send, press this little arrow and it gives you send later. So we'll do that. And we'll set the time for tomorrow at 8 a.m. That's fine. Alright. Snooze, move, and rule. So snooze is for an email that you've already got. Snooze, later today, 9 p.m. That's that. I don't actually want to snooze, so I will undo that, but that is how you do it. Move and rule. Move, you can say we want to move something like this. Go this, move to move to a different folder. Let's do folder to move things to. Okay. So that was move, and then rule. Just come up here, go to settings, View all Outlook settings. Rules. Add a new rule. Rule number 1. If the subject includes anything about running, I like to run, so that's something that came to mind. Then mark with importance. No. And then save that rule. And you can turn it off, turn it on. I'll leave it off right now. So that's everything for Outlook, and it says repeat using Gmail. So I'll do that. A little bit different, but not much. Google Calendar. Let's delete that. Okay. So same thing. Wednesday the 9th. Let's do 7 to 9 p.m. All right. Location, regions, description, and what? Add attachment. Oof, I'd rather not pick from Google Drive. Let's just do this, so you can drag. Ready? Come on. That's not what I wanted to do. Alright, fix that. All I had to do was go to Google Drive. I just went to upload and dragged the file to that, and it uploaded. Okay, so that worked. So the title, location, attached, document notes, time and date. Okay. That's everything. Save that. Don't save. It'll be. Okay. That's fine. Alright, and then these other things for Gmail. Let's see, let's go here. Send later, so again we need to compose. says schedule send rather than send later, but it's the same thing. Tomorrow morning is fine. And snooze. So go to here. Go to here. Snooze that till tomorrow. 8 a.m. And then so we can go back here. So I have something here. All right, and then we're going to move this. It has to be in the primary inbox to have the move option. Move to promotions. Move it back. All right, let's move, and then rule. What I found looking things up was that there isn't any specific rule tab like there was with Outlook. You just set your rules with this. So anything that has the words running, wait, hold on. I want to be able to create a filter. Okay, yeah, so that's that, and I want to star it. That's fine. Create filter. Okay, filter is created, so anything that comes through and has the word running will be starred. Bring it to my attention. So I think that's everything. We made the events, title, location, attached document, notes, time, and date. Use send later, snooze, move, and rule in both Gmail and Outlook. So that is it. Night night.